repair video of I335022, a system 11B. Did not come with ROMs, so we're being tested with F14 and high-speed ROMs. MOSFET conversion was done on a lamp matrix. There was also fire damage on some solenoids, and they were repaired. So we're going to turn it on now. You see it starts up in attract mode. Diagnostic lights flashing fast, so it booted up correctly. And it's in attract mode on the display with the high score to date. So we're going to turn on the diagnostics. The first thing is the display test, which runs normally. The second thing is the sound test. Which also runs. The next thing is the lamp matrix. With the new MOSFET, you see all 8 rows and columns running. Then the individual lamp test. And then next thing is the solenoid test. Starting with solenoid number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. Now we're going to test the special solenoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. As I mentioned, some of them were fire damaged and those have been repaired. And then the last thing is the switch test. We're going to start with switch number 1. Switch 2. Switch 3. Let's turn this volume down a little bit. Switch 4. Switch 5. Switch 6. Switch 7. Switch 8. And that's the first column. Now we're going to go and check the other columns. Column 2, switch 9, column 3, 17, column 4, 25, column 5, 33, column 6, switch 41, column 7, 49, finally column 8, switch 57. This shows the entire board working properly.